Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Cauchy's general principle of convergence for series and geometric series and its example. First we will discuss about Cauchy's general principle of convergence for series. A necessary and sufficient condition for a series summation n goes to 1 to infinity un to converges is that for each epsilon is greater than 0 there exists a positive integer m such that um plus 1 plus um plus 2 plus so on plus un is less than epsilon for all n is greater than m, or up plus 1 plus up plus 2 plus so on plus uq is less than epsilon for all q is greater than equal to p is greater than equal to m, or un plus 1 u plus un plus 2 plus so on plus un plus p is less than epsilon for all n is greater than equal to m, p is greater than 0. Let Sn be a sequence of partial sums of the series summation un. The series summation un will converge if the sequence Sn of its partial sums converges. By Cauchy's general principle of convergence for sequence, we know that the necessary and sufficient condition for the convergence of Sn is that for each epsilon is greater than 0, there exists m belongs to n such that absolute value of Sn minus Sm is less than epsilon for all n is greater than m. Now I have taught Cauchy's general principle of convergence of sequence in my previous video. You can search from there also. N contains m terms is subtract from n terms for all n is greater than m. N terms u m plus 1 plus u m plus 2 plus so on un is remaining is less than epsilon for all n is greater than m. Hence the result. Similarly, by Cauchy's general principle of convergence for sequence, the sequence Sn of partial sums of summation un converges if and only if to each epsilon is greater than 0 there exists a positive integer m such that absolute value of n plus m p minus s n is less than epsilon for all n is greater than equal to m and p is greater than equal to 1. N terms is subtract from n plus p and terms un plus 1 plus un plus 2 plus so on plus un plus p terms is remaining is also less than epsilon for all n is greater than equal to m, p is greater than 0, या p is greater than equal to 1, hence result. Examples of Cauchy's general principle of convergence for series. So that the series summation 1 upon n does not converges. Let the given series converges. Then for epsilon equal to 1 by 4, by Cauchy's general principle of convergence, we can find a positive integer m such that 1 upon n plus 1 plus 1 upon n plus 2 plus so on 1 upon n plus p is less than epsilon for all n is greater than equal to m and p is greater than equal to 1. Taking n equal to m and p equal to m, we get 1 upon n plus 1 plus 1 upon n plus 2 plus so on plus 1 upon n plus p equal to 1 upon n replaced to m, so m plus 1 plus 1 upon m plus 2 plus so on 1 plus n m plus n, because n replaced to m and p replaced to m equal to 1 upon m plus 1 plus 1 upon m plus 2 plus m equal to 2m, so 1 upon 2m. This series has m terms, so is greater than m multiplied by 1 upon 2m, so cancel m by m equal to 1 by 2 is greater than epsilon. This series summation 1 upon m do not satisfy Cauchy's convergence series. Thus, there is a contradiction. Hence, the given series summation 1 upon n does not converges. Geometric series. A positive term, geometric series 1 plus r square plus r cube plus so on, where r is common ratio of geometric series. First one, if for r is less than 1, then series will be convergent. Second one, if for r is greater than equal to 1, then the series will be divergent. If for r is less than equal to minus 1, then series will be oscillatory. Example of geometric series. Prove that the series summation 1 upon 4 to the power n converges to 1 by 3. This series written as Sn equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 4 cube plus so on plus 1 by 4 to the power n. We know that summation of geometric series Sn equal to a 1 minus r to the power n 1 minus r, where r is less than 1 and r is common ratio of geometric series and a with the first term of geometric series, same as we take a equal to 1 by 4 and r equal to 1 by 4 of this series. So Sn equal to 1 by 4 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power n upon 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. We solve it, then we found 1 by 3 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power n. Take both sides, limit n goes to infinity, Sn equal to limit n goes to infinity 1 upon 3 1 minus 1 upon 4 to the power n. We solve limit, then we found 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is less than 1. So the sequence Sn converges to 1 by 3, and hence series summation 1 upon 4 to the power n converges to 1 by 3. Second one example, test the convergence of series log e base 2 plus log e base 3 by 2 plus log e base 4 by 3, so on. We take Sn equal to log 2 plus log 3 by 2 plus log 4 by 3, so on, plus log n plus 1 by n. We know that log mn equal to log m plus log n, same as this series written as log e base 2 3 by 2 4 by 3, so on, n plus 1 by n. Cancel 2 by 2 and 3 by 3, 4 by 4, n by n. Now remaining log n plus 1. Take both side limit. Limit n goes to infinity Sn equal to limit n goes to infinity log n plus 1. We solve limit, then we found infinity. Hence the given series is divergent. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like it so that you can get latest video once again. Thanks.